Obviously, they're townhomes, so they'll have a party wall in the middle, but wanted to differentiate the sides from each other just enough, but still be cohesive with each other and the rest of the stuff on the block. So just nice, clean, simple.
What do you think?
It's massive.
It is big, isn't it?
Each side is just under 2,000 square feet. It's got an attached garage on the back, 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, and then they each have really big side yards. So we've got 3 people coming over, a mix of friends and realtors to give us some feedback.
And actually, there are victims, because we're really gonna put them on the spot.
So they're gonna come in and decide which side of the townhome is staged better to sell.
May the best ginger win. So welcome home.
Wow.
Smells good.
Oh, who's this guy?
This is Ted.
Hey, Ted.
I think the first tool I have when you walk into the space that I've created is the smell, the colors, the use of a theme, and a dog. So welcome home.
Oh, wow, beautiful. Oh, hi, buddy.
I love it.
Yeah?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
I think it's brilliant.
So when we first got into the house, it was nothing but sticks. I like to call this my armpit wall, because it comes right up to my armpit. That created an opportunity for us to do this little stencil on the...
Oh, yeah, the paisley stencil, that's beautiful.
I like this a lot.
Let's go over to the kitchen. Would you like a cup of coffee?
Oh, my gosh, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, I see what you're doing with the candles and the free coffee and the dog, but got some tricks up my sleeve too.
I like the dark cabinets. I like the tile. I love the porcelain sink. It's clean, it's light, it's nice. Yeah, it feels really good.
Did you notice the smell?
Yeah, so what is that?
And we made custom candles.
Oh, wow.
So the one that you smell in here is oven-baked bread,
Okay, yeah.
coffee, and honey.
Ooh.
Smells fabulous.
Didn't think I was so into French, but man.
Maybe you are.
Let's go. Bedroom. So downstairs master ensuite.
Ooh, I love this.
Wall of closets.
I love the wall of closets, yes.
And your ensuite bath.
Oh, yes.
Would you like to check it out, ma'am?
I would. Oh, wow. I love this. I like the gray. That herringbone is beautiful.
So we need to give you a peek at the side yard before we go over to Mina's side.
My turn.
All right.
Oh, wow.
Is that the old steps?
Yeah.
The water feature back here?
Mm-hmm.
That might be the deciding factor, frankly.
Yeah?
I love that.
You just wait. Pump your brakes,
Oh,
sir.
I'm just saying, it's, I want those steps.
How do you think you're gonna beat me with that amazing water feature on my side? What could you possibly have?
Just have to see.
All right.
So my side's a little different.
Ooh, very fun.
I went more of the rosé,
Very playful.
sweet tooth, yeah, playful route.
I love this because it's so feminine, but not over the top.
Oh, you don't think all the pink makes it over the
No,
top?
I love
The
it.
cotton
because-
candy and the rosé
No, I
wasn't too
love
much.
that, but I love that.
Just like Mom's side, this was also just stick framing when we took it over from another contractor. I don't have coffee, but I have fresh donuts, rosé, cotton candy, and a few more surprises towards the end.
Yeah, I like it all.
All right, closer look at the kitchen.
Yeah.
So the cabinets, we ended up painting, and when we painted them this color versus the wood they were, the backsplash, which was really cool, popped out way more.
Yeah, I like that backsplash a lot. Just a mosaic, or is that?
It's mosaic marble. Carrera marble, I have to have it on my side.
I like the pulls on the cabinets, the sink. This is actually everything that I have in my house.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
Just bling.
pretty sweet.
Bling
yeah.
everywhere.
I think the jury's still out, honestly.
You want to go see the bedroom?
Master bedroom?
Yeah, who would ever thought that a master bedroom would be the tiebreaker?
Come on in.
Wow, this is beautiful.
Because Is this a king-size bed? Yeah.
It is.
Jeez.
Yeah. This is where you get served breakfast in bed.
Yeah.
Would you like some tea in the cup that's not there? All right, go ahead and check out your ensuite.
Check out your ensuite. Go on in, luxuriate.
Beautiful.
The staircase creates a cool angle in the shower, too.
Yeah.
Did you notice the plants on the ledge in my shower?
No, I didn't.
Because there were so many other fabulous
Yeah,
things
I was
you
so
couldn't even
distracted by
notice.
all the beauty and wonderment in
Hey,
French.
this is my moment. We've still got one more area, one little surprise, so we're gonna go check out the side yard.
All right.
Lead the way. There's no way she's topping my side yard. I have a fountain. She doesn't even like landscaping.
So, I see your
Oh.
doodle, and I raise you puppies!
Oh my gosh.
What?
You get a puppy,
Oh,
and
man.
you get a puppy.
Such a cheater.
Man,
Oh my.
that is dirty.
So, after seeing both sides, other than puppies are cute, what do you think?
Kissing me. I love a good competition, and this is competition right here. This is real. Yes.
Your aesthetic, it's just too eccentric for me, you know?
What?
No, I felt like I was in
That is the craziest thing I've ever heard you say. I mean, how do you beat Rosé and puppies?
With design style. That's how you beat it.
There are so many things I like about both sides.
But you have to pick.
I will have to say, for fear of losing your love, Mina's. It's Mina's. I'm sorry. I really am drawn to the colors on your side. I love that.
So now it's one-on-one. So now there's really a game.
Man, this is tough. I have to admit, I feel like I like the other side a little bit better.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I love winning. I'm not gonna lie. I never win. I'm really excited about winning. I'm reveling in the winning.
Bring me some buyers.
I will.
Yes,
Definitely.
absolutely.
Thank you,
very
Mina.
much.
Thank you.
Bye.
I had so much fun doing my side. It was a blast.
Says the loser.
Let's go sit out in the sunshine.
Oh, that'd be nice.
Celebrate your win. Now we'll see who sells first, though.
Cheers.
So we bought both sides of the townhome for $140,000. We ended up spending a little bit more on the renovation, around $360,000. So we are all in at $500,000. But they turned out really cute. I think we're gonna be able to list both of them for $300,000 and sell them easy.
And that leaves us a little wiggle room, so if we need to leave one or both of them on the market a little longer for a really solid offer, we can.
Yeah, and I mean, I don't think we're gonna need to do that. I think they're both gonna sell pretty quick, no matter which one sells first.